Okay, heading out to the, actually I was going to say bus stop, but you know what? I didn't actually go to the bus stop today.
Where is he going with that? The polls? Yeah. You go to the bus stop every morning.
Going out to the polls, I had a sweater and then I took it off because
it was
at
nice.
least earlier today it was nice.
There's a lot of folks who take the bus to the polls. Like, let's put it all
That's
together
right.
here.
Good point,
Our
Betsy.
public transportation system is certainly helpful on these situations when folks just need to get out and about. And if you are headed out and about, local highways running fairly smoothly this evening. We do have a lot of clouds in play. Not expecting any weather problems as far as Northeast Ohio goes. As a matter of fact, things are looking pretty good for us. By the time we hit about 9 o'clock or so, temperatures will be back down into the 40s. That north wind is going to be the key because that north wind becomes more easterly as we get into the day tomorrow. There was one little problem that popped up earlier on Route 2 at 44 up here in Lake County. That is still causing some issues on the westbound lanes. We have slow going on Pearl Road near I-71. And then, of course, there are the usuals. Dead Man's Curve, Central Interchange in Akron. The evening rush just off to a pretty normal flow this evening. As far as the flow of the atmosphere, well, we are still dealing with some low-level cloud cover. It's stuck over the Great Lakes region. This is just because we get moisture trapped coming off of the lakes and we can't get rid of it. But we'll have a stirring mechanism that begins to move in, and that will help to break the clouds up a bit tonight. But just about the time the lower clouds begin to break up, the higher clouds start to move in. So it's a bit of a trade-off for us. Here's our next storm system. It is swirling here over the nation's northern border. And as it does so, that's an indication that we have two things going on. Number one, this is our storm track with the storms coming at us from the west, generally speaking. The flow is still from west to east. But more importantly, we will start to get more warm air pulling into this system because as this area of low pressure will begin to draw the air out of the south, it's all going to work out beautifully for our temperatures tomorrow to go up. The big question is, how far north will the warm air get before rain chances start to come into the forecast? So let's take a look at this on the bigger scale. First, we have high pressure that is in control right now. That is our north wind. That's kind of trapping that moisture and the cool air overhead. But as we head through the night, high pressure begins to shift eastward. That will mean an east wind for us tomorrow. An east wind is a little bit more even Steven type wind as far as the temperature setup, although areas west will be a little cooler than areas east. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. All the rain is west of us. There's where the warm air line is. Watch how it moves northward as we head through the day. Look at Ashtabula County, Lake Geauga County. Can you do it? I think that's the big question right now. Just how warm will we get? If our storm stays a little bit farther north, we'll find the temperatures going up. Mansfield will have a very different day tomorrow than Ashtabula will. Mansfield will likely make it into the low 60s. Cleveland and east into Ashtabula will be stuck in the 50s, possibly even the 40s out in the Ashtabula area. But this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see a few scattered showers on the map. We'll hold on to these shower chances as we head through the evening too. Here comes the cold front then by the time we hit Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Once that cold front sweeps through, we will have a much cooler setup as we head toward the weekend for the forecast. So as far as timing out these rain chances for you, you can see our best rain chances will start to pick up around noon on Wednesday and then really slide up as we head through Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And then we'll have lingering shower chances through the day on Thursday. Cooler temperatures will be with us overnight with partly to mostly cloudy skies. We'll drop back into the mid and upper 30s for the start of the day tomorrow. Your National Design-Mar hour-by-hour forecast will take temperatures into the mid 50s. Upper 50s, maybe 60, depending upon where we are. Areas farther south, I think you have a much better shot at 60 than folks closer to the lake. All of us will end up with more clouds as the day goes on. And yes, we will pick up those rain chances as our storm system gets a little bit closer to us. Here's a look at your Union Home Mortgage forecast. Temperatures close to 60 the next couple of days. That's all timing dependent, right? Late Wednesday, very early Thursday. As we climb and as we fall, I think the temperatures during the day will be a little bit cooler than that. But by Friday, definitely feeling a lot cooler, although the clouds are decreasing. Saturday, of course, is Veterans Day for us. Looks partly cloudy with temperatures in the upper 40s if you're going to be out doing any observances. And for Sunday and Monday and Tuesday, we're going to turn things around and find the mercury heading back up with a nice sunny start to the work week next week.
Okay, we like to hear it. Betsy, thanks so much. We appreciate you.